Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use Afterpay single use card. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Afterpay app. Once you're inside here, what you need to do is just simply select this shop button on the bottom left corner of the screen, and once you tap on that, here you'll be seeing shops in Afterpay. Now the Afterpay single use card is only available in the option that says in-app only on this specific shop. So just simply select the shop that says in-app only, tap on that, and once you tap on that, here all you gotta do now is select a product, and then once you select a product, all you gotta do now is head over to the checkout by simply tapping on buy now pay later. And once you do that, here again tap on buy now and pay later by selecting the item, and once you select the item, here you'll be getting this Afterpay pop-up. On the amount section, what you need to do is add the specific amount that you are gonna pay, including the shipping cost and all the extra costs now, and don't forget to include the shipping and tax in this amount as well. And once you are done with that, all you gotta do now is tap on continue, and once you tap on continue, here you'll have the option that you are provided to you. Now all you gotta do is click on this small checkbox and then tap on confirm, and that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.